How much should you actually spend on an airless paint sprayer? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, HomeRite Super Finish Max. The HomeRite Super Finish Max HVLP paint sprayer caught my attention with its solid $70 price tag. It's not just affordable, it's packed with features for DIY enthusiasts. If you want an easy-to-use sprayer that delivers a great finish on various projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts a 40-ounce tank, which means fewer refills while you work on your fences, furniture, or cabinets. With 450 watts of power, it handles different materials like latex paints and stains efficiently. The adjustable settings let you switch between horizontal, vertical, and round patterns, making it versatile for different applications. Plus, it comes with 3 brass spray tips, allowing precision for various paint types. Now, some people complained about the weight of the sprayer. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight for most, but might feel a bit cumbersome for extended use. If you're doing a big job, you might want to take breaks or consider a heavier duty option. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer tackling small to medium projects at home. Skip this one if you plan to use it for larger jobs regularly. At $70, it's a solid investment for occasional use.
Product number 2, Vavcura Paint Sprayer. The Vavcura Paint Sprayer, priced at $108.50. This one really stands out with its powerful 1,000-watt motor. If you're looking for efficiency and speed, this paint sprayer deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1,400 ml tank capacity allows you to cover up to 45 square meters in just 15 minutes, perfect for larger surfaces. With 6 copper nozzles ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters, you can easily switch between detailed work and broad coverage. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, ensuring no corner gets missed, even in low-light areas. Plus, the adjustable flow control means you can customize the paint output based on your project needs. Now, some users have mentioned that the cleaning process can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, while it might take a bit longer than others, the efficiency and finish quality you get make it worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're working on furniture or large home projects that require speed. Skip this if you're looking for something super compact and lightweight. For $108.50, it's a great value for the capabilities it brings.
Product number 3, Graco Magnum X5. The Graco Magnum 262800X5 is a step up at $365. This sprayer is designed for serious DIY homeowners or remodelers. If you want a spray that can handle larger projects, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can handle projects up to 10 gallons, making it ideal for big jobs. The fully adjustable pressure control allows you to spray unfinned paints at any pressure, which is fantastic for a variety of surfaces. The flexible suction tube enables you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, saving you from the hassle of refills. Plus, it supports a 75-foot paint hose, so you can easily reach high walls or ceilings without losing performance. Now, some people have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky and not super portable. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about painting larger areas, that bulkiness is offset by its power and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you have extensive interior or exterior projects. Skip this if you need something compact for smaller tasks. At $365, it's an investment, but delivers professional results.
Product number 4, Giffen Airless Paint Sprayer Kit. If you're looking for something versatile, check out the Giffen Airless Paint Sprayer Gun Kit, priced at just $59.99. This one really surprised me with how much it includes for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get a 50-foot high-pressure hose and 6 different spray tips, which means you can tackle a variety of projects, from fences to detailed furniture work. The reversible spray tip is a nice touch, just rotated 180 degrees for easy cleaning. The kit is designed to be compatible with most airless paint sprayers, making it super flexible for DIY projects. Also, the materials used are durable, ensuring it can handle the wear and tear of regular use. Now, some users reported that the instructions for setup could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it operates smoothly and provides great results. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a budget-friendly option for home projects. Skip this if you're looking for a professional-grade sprayer. For $59.99, it's a steal for what you get.
Product number 5, InnoCraft Max Spray M1, which retails for $224.99. This sprayer is truly designed for those who want to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 550-watt motor provides up to 3,000 psi, allowing you to spray latex and acrylic without finning, which saves you time and hassle. It covers up to 10 gallons with ease, perfect for big projects like fences and decks. The included 12-inch tip extension helps you reach high ceilings or eaves without the need for a ladder. The quick setup and easy cleanup make it super user-friendly, even for first-timers. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit heavy after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, the speed and quality of finish you get really make up for that, especially if you're tackling extensive painting tasks. This is perfect for you if you're taking on larger projects and want efficiency. Skip this if you need something lightweight for smaller jobs. At $224.99, it's a solid choice for serious DIYers.
So, to wrap it up, we've got the HomeRite Super Finish Max for DIY beginners, the Vav Cara for those needing speed, the Graco Magnum X5 for serious remodelers, the Jiffent for budget-conscious beginners, and the InnoCraft Max Spray M1 for efficiency lovers. Each serves a different need and budget, so you can't go wrong with any of them.